Hi, my name is Helen Lobb.
And I am Charlotte Hill, and we have been asked to do a video on 5 reasons why you should go to Keele. But we're going to be controversial and we're going to do 6 because we couldn't narrow it down to 5.
Yep, so we both graduated from Keele last year. We both studied law there, and now we're both on the BPTC at BPP Birmingham, which is the Bar Professional Training course. So that means we're trained to be barristers.
It is. Right, I'm going to start with first reason why you should go to Keele, and that is because of the staff. From the minute I first went to Keele with my first open day, I knew straight away that it was going to be a really supportive staff. I went to a lecture on this open day, and the head of law actually came over and spoke to me, and that shocked me so much that she was just so friendly. And then once I actually started at Keele and I went to the lectures, the staff are so supportive, and I'm aware I keep saying supportive, but they honestly are, and they will help you, not just with law. Like if you have a personal issue or you're feeling homesick, they will do anything they can to try and help you. And if you tell them what your goal is from the start, they will help you get to it, which is what they did for me. I told them where I wanted to be, and they made sure I got there.
Yeah. So one of the main reasons why I picked Keele was because they offer an extensive range of mooting competitions, and they also have their own moot courtroom, which means that you can basically go to a mock courtroom environment and practice your advocacy, and also get advice off barristers that come in and participate against other people in your cohort. So they run 2 pretty big competitions. The first is there is an opportunity to participate in the Jessup International Moot, and that means you get the chance to go down to London and do a moot in international law against people from all over the country, which is a very good experience. And secondly, there is also the moot that both me and Sharp participated in, and she won. We're on opposite teams, and that's the Keele internal moot, and the final of that is held at the Supreme Court in London. And being able to go down to London was honestly incredible because
we got to see my family and friends.
Yeah, we got given a tour through the Supreme Court, so we saw all of the rooms on the inside, and the actual final itself was held in the same room where cases such as the Crown and Miller were heard and decided. So it's pretty surreal when that happened, that we'd actually been in that room competing in front of a panel of judges. So the actual mooting experience that Keele offers is incredible for people that want to pursue a career in law.
Absolutely. Okay, reason number 3. Now attempt to get this right.
Yeah.
So, one of the reasons I went to Keele was because of CLOC, which stands for Community Legal Outreach Companion Keele.
Yeah, nailed it.
And essentially, most universities do a legal clinic, but CLOC is a bit different to that because you're in the courtroom, and not only do you have the opportunity to help people and assist them with their cases, but you can go into the courtroom, and just being in that environment is such a valuable experience to have. Not only that, but the lady who set up Keele, she's called Jane, is lovely, and we've got Sophia as well, and they're both so they care so much about it, and it just makes you want to work harder and be able to help people. I say that's the only frustrating thing about CLOC, is there is a limit to how much you can do, and it just made me want to work harder just so I can qualify and actually help people more.
So another reason why you should go to Keele is the campus itself. It's situated just outside of Newcastle under Lyme. It is absolutely stunning, and people do affectionately refer to it as the Keele bubble because that is in essence exactly what it is. When you first arrive there, you will make friendships that will last you years down the line. The support and the network of people that you encounter is incredible. The lecturers themselves will give you endless support, and it's just really nice to be a part of a university which cares about you as a person, as opposed to just being another number on their lists.
I like that. Yeah.
Thought through.
5?
Yeah.
5 is content. Not only does Keele have an amazing amount of elective options, you can do languages like Helen did, or you can just pick loads of different kinds of law, you can do criminology, you're not limited to just the compulsory modules. Not only that though, but the people that are delivering the content are truly very cool. You've got people like Mark Davis, who wrote the book for the land law module, same equity and trust with
Michael Haley and Laura McMurty. And there's also
contract law, the Liza one,
yeah,
who didn't write the book, but she is so excited about contract law. It just makes you want to work harder.
yeah.
So watching her, I was like, I want to understand it so much, and her enthusiasm just was like, yes, I can do this.
It's infectious. If you don't like contract law, you feel like you have to like it because she's just that passionate about the subject.
Yes.
I really do. Obviously, the lecturers themselves are incredible, and they are people that are the top of their field. We both did dissertations in third year, and my supervisor was literally one of the leading people on the area that I was covering, so it was incredible to get his feedback on it. And it's the same
with
for you.
mine. It's really good. Okay, shall we go to point 6?
Yes. So I know this speech is gearing you towards why you should go to Keele. I actually did not want to go there, and it was my second choice of university. I had to be heavily persuaded to actually attend the university, and I tried everything to get out of it. But when I actually got to campus, it turned out to be one of the best decisions I ever made, because every second of the 3 years that I spent there, I, for the most part, really enjoyed. And the friendships that I made during that time and the lecturers and support they gave me really did make an incredible university experience, and something which I can't really imagine having gone to anywhere else. I don't see how it could replicate. So yeah, that's it. Speech over.
Reasons why you should choose Keele.